We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for you to smash that like button, tell me know you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Prog, and Prog stock has had a phenomenal 2 days back to back filled with strength. We're going to break it all down in today's video with 42 vision and ultimate 42 vision, the bull and bear indicators. But I also want to share with you guys what our spy bot has been sharing with us every single day over at the Discord. And since yesterday it had been under a bear indicator, it sent us the notification over at the Discord, and towards the bell today, puts went up nearly 100% plus in a matter of minutes because things continue to pull down. Now, moments after, it went ahead and sent us a bull indicator, and calls were up nearly 50 to 100% plus. This is a new upgrade that we have now for the 42 vision tier level members. By gaining access to 42 vision and also gaining access to the spy bot, you will be equipped to navigate through the volatility of the markets to maximize no matter which direction the stocks and the market is going, guys. It's our new upgrade. We just released it just several weeks ago, and it has been a phenomenal add-on to our resources, and you can now gain access to it as well. And these put options were up 100% plus, and call options were up 50% to 100% plus. Now, with Prog, we're going to jump into everything here and the charts, break down my thoughts, what's going on moving forward, what resistance levels have been broken through, what needs to be broken through for this to continue, and what needs to be the support so this does not go any lower. We're going to break it all down in today's video, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. And we're going to jump right into it here with Prog. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave jumps of 5 to 10% and 10% plus on the one that turned out to be a home run, which was SRRA. Now let's go ahead and pull up the chart here. And this was phenomenal. We caught it under a bull indicator after it pulled back in the pre-market, starting to pick up some steam, consolidated, and it started to take off to a highest point of nearly 10 to 20% in the pre-market, consolidated, got that bear indicator, pulled back, and in just a matter of minutes, literally about 5 to 7 minutes, it took off and gave a highest point since we mentioned it of 25% plus, and within that run, a 10 to 15% jump. Now, that wasn't the only opportunity this stock gave. As it pulled downwards in the next few hours, it gave a second opportunity after the pullback. It dipped and it took off again for a highest point of 20% plus. And collectively between both opportunities, it gave a total possibility of 45% plus, guys. If you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Prog, and Prog stock has had an explosive run in the last 2 days, right? And if you look at it here, every single time it's gone into extreme weakness, there has been reversals, guys. Extreme weakness, reversals, extreme weakness, reversals. Now, some are stronger and weaker than others, and you could see it there through the history of the chart. We've had several ones in the last several weeks and days, but some turn out to be stronger than others and others weaker than others. We've had 2 strong reversals at these extreme points of weakness, and the others have been small jumps of 10 to 20%, but these stronger ones have been jumps of nearly 30 to 40, 50% jumps in a matter of just a day or two, right? So super important to realize that 42 vision allows one to see the dips and the rips of strength and how long this strength could last, right? Super important to realize that. And then on top of that, we have ultimate 42 vision, which is the bull and bear indicators. I'm going to pull it up here as well, which you can now gain access to. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets, no matter the direction stocks are going, to maximize on the opportunities. And all the members using it are loving it. And within this volatility, clarity is a huge importance to navigate through it and maximize whether stocks are going up or down. Now, as we can see here, PROG has been under a bull indicator since yesterday. Extreme weakness, started a reversal, and has had a lot of strength going into today and hit highs here of about 161. I would just round that down to 160 as a very important level. Now, the resistance level that got broken through, which was important, was 150, and it's back towards it and fighting within those levels. We'll have to see if it could turn it into a support and bounce off of it, or if it's going to break through it and this run will slightly fade away. Now, yesterday what it did was it went into extreme strength, slightly pulled back, but it stayed green with red borders, and today we have green and strength here with red borders. So we need to see how this shifts into dark green or red into tomorrow, or if it can bounce right back up from that, break through 160 and get back up towards the resistance level of 172. That is a key level for this to start working its way back up towards $2. I know a lot of investors want to see this go higher, and a lot of investors are rooting for it to break towards $2.50 and all the way up towards $3 in the future. But right now, things have moved pretty quickly, and we need to see if this could actually hold. Very strong move from yesterday, way down here at 116, all the way up to 161. But it's going to be very important if the 4-hour could be brought up with it. So far on the 4-hour, we got that bear indicator negated, had been going downwards into extreme strength. If you look at the 4-hour, it was in extreme strength the same day the 30-minute was, and this has been a very strong reversal. So far, things are looking pretty strong based off 42 vision and the chart, and it got a bull indicator down here at 125. So this is why these green with red borders are still showing strength. We want to be aware of what transitions can happen, but this right here was a huge bar, and this one's a little bit smaller. So if the next one continues even bigger and larger and shifts from dark green like you see here, and instead of just sitting sideways, shifts into green, then we could see this type of action, and this is what we're looking for real momentum, like when it moved here from $3 all the way up to $6. Now, is it going to move the same way? Is it going to double? Is it guaranteed? No, that's not what I'm saying. But for us to confirm even stronger confirmation of strength, we want to see a bull indicator. We're seeing the complete transitions here, and we want this to go from dark green to green, and the 30-minute to continue that momentum that we've been seeing here. And even though it's slightly pulling back, that this does not go into red, right? If it goes into dark green with red borders, well, that it shifts right back up like it did today, and this could be just a little setup for the next bull run. Not a setback in this pullback, if not a setup for the next bull run. But if we get this right here, momentum could fade really fast. So what's the support I'm going to be watching? The first support level will be up here at 140. If that gets broken through, I would watch how this reacts between 150 and 140. And if 140 gets broken through, the next support level would be down here at 130. I know it's kind of like all broken down pretty close to each other, but based off the chart, I'm narrowing it down as much as possible to see microscopically what is going on within the volatility of this stock, because this has been a big move, and if it goes back, we want to be sure it's a real pullback or a fake out, and it could be the setup for the next bull run, because the 4-hour is showing strength, guys. If you look at it, we just need it to continue with that momentum like we saw in the history here. And also the 1 day is shifting, and we want this shift to continue, and this is how it starts, from white with red borders to red with green borders, and then go into green and continue into bright green like we see right here. And we want a bull indicator to pop up here as well to confirm even further strength, guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.